made it to the Montana Prison and Auto Museum. Here we are. They are open. Apparently we do need to wear our masks inside here, so we will do that. But fun stuff out here outside. There's one of the old doors. There's an old prison cage. And if you have kids, get your picture taken here. So here we are right inside the entrance to the visitor center. We've got a lot of displays right here.
Your paid receipt is good for one additional admission within 1 year. So hang on to your receipt, honey. Oh yeah, there's auto. Just to be the auto in the prison.
All right, and they have a gift shop here in the prison. And so as you can see, they've got t-shirts, sweatshirts, prison attire. That looks good on you, dear. You'd fit right in here.
Should get Joe one.
Auto Museum entrance, and the prison entrance is over here. Prison entrance. All the good stuff any gift shop should have. Souvenirs galore. Woohoo! So we're gonna get ready to go into the prison. They do give you a self-guided tour book.
They have Huckleberry lip balm too.
Big heavy wooden doors going into the prison yard. And just like that, we're in the prison yard. Wow. We got some antiques out here. Oh, not the golf cart. This old antique car over here. Wow. Looks like it's seen its better days. Looks like this is where the prison tour starts. And the towers at the corners did house guards that were armed. All right. Let's go see what else there is to see. So this location right here was an enormous red brick cell house with rounded towers, and it loomed over the city of Deer Lodge until 1959, when it was damaged by an earthquake and torn down. And then in 1960, this slab was poured as a foundation for a gymnasium and classroom buildings, and both buildings were later moved to the new prison. Okay, number 3. Inmates were not allowed to proceed beyond this area without a pass or being accompanied by a guard. If inmates crossed this line without authorization, the guard posted at Tower 7 could shoot them. Wow. Just talking about where they can't cross, huh? Out of bounds. Guard in Tower 7. Wow, I'm at the out of bounds. Good thing there's not a guard up there, because I'm going to step over. Otherwise, I'd get shot. Admin building, whatever it might be. Oh, hello. You don't talk much. You're the quiet type. Oh, here's the visiting room. Look at that. If I got thrown in jail, this is where my wife would come to visit me. I'd be on that side of the fence, and she'd be out here in the visitor area. Another silent type. Here's the captain's office. Wow. I'll display here. Another guard standing there, watching over everything. Oh, look at an old picture. In here they have the FBI's 10 most wanted fugitives posted. Well, I don't know if there's 10 of them here. Look at that. Siberia East. These cells in the northeast corner of the cell house were used to isolate continually troublesome inmates from the general population. In 1960, the rooms in the tower above these cells and above West Siberia were converted into educational facilities, which included 6 classrooms, a library, and a teacher's office. All right. Oh boy, here we go back inside. This area is temporarily closed. Wow. Bathroom and shower. Wow. Must be another shower. Yep. Another shower, boy. Dark in here. Bed in here, but I can't see a dang thing. You know, it said shed some light on the subject here. That helped a little bit, not much. Now here's that shower. Oh look, there's a rat on the bed.
Is that the one that has the head?
No, it's a rat. More fences, barbed wire. Oh my. Literally quite the big prison complex. This is taking a while. It's really fascinating. Here we go. And dive in here. Oh boy. This is area number 11. This is West Siberia. Difficult prisoners were placed in these cells to isolate them from the rest of the prison population. After breakfast, the doors were unlocked and the inmates were allowed into the enclosed exercise yard for the entire day. Oh boy, let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at these cells. Wow. Need my light again. Well, this one's got a light on in it. Oh, what do we have here? This is interesting. A rat man. Wow. Oh, another shower. Empty cell. Oh, you gonna go in there?
No.
Cell here. So this is what the view looked like when you're a prisoner in here, looking out. Wow. Not much room in these cells. Nope, couldn't do it. Couldn't be a prisoner. Oh, no way. That is horrible. Whew. Fences, barbed wire, and bars don't agree with me. Yeah, the only way I could be in a prison is if I was one of the guards. Because I like guns. Yeah.
And a guard tower.
In a guard tower like that one way over there. Wow. They did play baseball. Look at that. That used to be a baseball diamond right there. And here's a spot on the cell wall here on these bricks. The prisoners carved names in or whatever. Wow. Look at that. Well, there's cell row. Look at that.
Yeah.
Man. Wow. Want to take a shower? There you go. Here are 3 shower heads. The inmates would come in, line up, they'd get wet at the first one, soap up at the second one, and rinse off at the third one. And that's how they got their showers. They were required to take them twice weekly. And over here was a shower area. Wow. And again, I could not go to prison. Man, no way. No way could I do this. Oh, and down here is the hole. Watch your head. Look at that. Holy mackerel, it's a dark cell. Only a peephole in the door. Look at that. It was closed, that's what it looked like. Maximum security. Oh, women's prison and maximum security. Can't see a thing, huh? We need lights on in here. Kind of bare cells. Wow.